Hi and welcome to Bingo Food Book. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all the notification.
Hello and welcome to Bingo's Food Book channel. I'm your host Pooja Shah and today I have come up with the fusion of Indo-Italian recipe idli frizza, a popular South Indian breakfast into a party starter. Let's start making it.
Here I have some extra idlis, so begin with chopping them. You can chop them into quarters or slices. Then we are supposed to fry them, but before that, you need to perform this important step. For the slurry, add maida, corn flour, and a pinch of salt and pepper for the flavor. Mix it well by pouring in some water. Now why do we prepare this slurry? It is because when we fry the idlis, they won't turn out oily. Otherwise, direct frying would have made them oily and soggy. Now add idli slices into the slurry. Coat them well and very gently. Here I have kept some oil to heat. The oil is hot enough, so we start frying. Fry them until it turns light golden and stir occasionally. Our idlis look ready now. Take them out in a plate. Now heat some oil in a pan and saute the diced capsicum and tomatoes. You can choose vegetables of your choice. Add a pinch of salt and saute it until you get that burnt flavor from them. Now take a skewer and arrange the idli slices and all the veggies together. Now at the base, spread some pizza sauce. Over it we add some mozzarella cheese cubes, then some corn and some oregano and paprika for seasoning. Cover it with a lid and cook until the cheese melts. Our frizza starter is ready, so do try it and let us know in the comment section below.